Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead. This one is very high paying, and you're working with a huge skincare brand. So we will just dive on in. Just know if you're interested in applying, the links to this page are in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, the skincare brand Curology, they are hiring a content associate. And now this is a temp to hire. They are looking to start you out as a temporary basis and looking to hire you on permanently if you work out. Curology is creating the next generation of skincare by having customized treatment plans and formulas. So instead of just going to the drugstore and buying some kind of acne treatment you put on your face that's made with the same ingredients that everybody buys, they put ingredients in your specific formula that are made just for you and your skin issues. So it's a more personalized solution. Again, they are looking for a content associate. So you'll be researching and examining topic ideas to create briefs for new and existing content pages and formats. You'll help support the project management on a complex content production process end to end. So you'll be tracking and doing task management as well. You'll be creating documentation and training materials for their internal teams. You'll support the process of recruiting and managing their freelance writers. And of course, you'll be reviewing that work and providing feedback to the writers and coordinate with the team to make sure that the brand guidelines are met and are medically accurate before publishing those out on the website or social media. Now, they are looking for someone who has great editorial skills, someone who has knowledge in SEO best practices for the web. If you have a previous use of any analytical tools like Google Search Console, that is a plus. They need someone who is comfortable using software that supports content production. So like WordPress for blogs, things like that. Someone who has a great attention to detail. And of course, this is a skincare brand, so you have to have a passion for beauty, skincare, and health. Now, if that is you, they pay very, very well. They pay anywhere from $31 an hour all the way up to $41 an hour. And of course, they also provide a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. And if you have skincare concerns yourself, they will also give you as an employee a free subscription to the Curology skincare system. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, along with any education and experience that you have. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.